Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial, we are going to look at ways of creating CSV files. CSV stands for comma separated values. CSV files are commonly used in computing. A CSV file is simply a plain text file that contains a list of data. The values in a CSV file is delimited by commas. In other words, a CSV file contains data separated by commas. We can also use other forms of delimiters to separate the values in a CSV file. However, it is more appropriate to use commas in the first case. That is why it is called CSV, comma separated values. There are many ways to create a CSV file. We can use different computer programs, e.g. the Microsoft Excel, or some programming languages. In this tutorial, I will be using the Microsoft Excel and Notepad to demonstrate to you two different ways of creating CSV files. Now, with that said, let's actually create some CSV files. But before that, remember, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to our channel. It is easy to subscribe and it is free. I have a Microsoft Excel file here in which I have entered data for student ID, first name, surname, gender, course, degree, nationality, and duration of the program that they are studying. This is a normal Excel document. However, I can easily save this one as a CSV file. This is one of the easiest ways of creating a CSV file. And to do that, go to File, Save As. Now, navigate to wherever you want to save the CSV file in your system. I am going to save mine inside this folder on my desktop. I named the folder Demo Work. What I need to do here now is to give the file name as it is. At the moment, it is 2022_students.slsx. Here, under Save As Type, click on this downward pointing arrow to expand it. And you will find three options for CSV here. The first one, CSV command delimited, is the one we really need for this purpose. Ignore the ones for CSV Macintosh here unless you are on a Mac, or CSV MS-DOS. Just go for the top one here, CSV command delimited, click on it, and now save it. I already have some CSV files in my folder, but I'm going to save this one now as 2022_students.csv. Now click Save. Great. So if you get any warning message like this, just click OK. And you will get another pop-up window which tells you that the CSV file may contain features that are not compatible with CSV. Do you want to keep the workbook in this format? Click Yes. Great. It is as simple as that. Now your CSV file is created, and if you navigate to that folder, you will find your CSV file there. I am going to navigate to that folder now to find it. Yes, this is my demo work folder, and my CSV file is created here. Now, note that I have two files with similar names. I say similar here because there is a difference. The first one is 2022_students.csv, while the second one is 2022_students.slsx. So there is a difference between both. And notice that the CSV file is way smaller than the normal Excel file. One is 2 KB, while the other one is 12 KB, 10 KB less in size. And another thing you need to understand is this CSV file, you can open it with any text editor, at least Notepad, in this case. And if I do that now, if I right click on it, open with Notepad, great. Now you can see I have my file here, which is my CSV file, 2022_student.csv. It's open now in Notepad, and everything is command separated. You cannot open your Excel file in Notepad. If I try that now, I will get a kind of something unusual. Open with Notepad. Yes, the default is Excel. So there is no point trying to open that one in Notepad, but the CSV file, you can open it in Notepad. That is what I have just demonstrated. So this is one way of creating a CSV file with an application such as the Microsoft Excel. Now, with that out of the way, I am going to show you another way of creating a CSV file. In this case, we are going to do it manually, and we will use the Notepad application to do it. Now I'm going to open Notepad. I will enter here country, capital city, country, capital city, double quote, continent. That is to show the continent the country belongs to. Currency, language. Let's enter here Albania. The capital for Albania is Tirana. The continent it belongs to is Europe. The currency is lek. And the language is Albanian. Great. Now another one will be Angola. The capital city is Luanda. The continent is Africa. The currency is called New Kwanzaa. And the language is Portuguese. That is the official language for Angola. Let's enter a few more. Australia. The capital city is Canberra. Continent, Oceania. The currency is Australian dollar. And the official language is English. Let's enter a few more. Bahrain. The capital city for Bahrain is Manama. The continent is Asia. Their currency is Bahrain dinar. And their official language is Arabic. Let's enter a few more. Cuba. The capital is Havana. The continent it belongs to is South America. The currency is Cuban peso. And the official language is Spanish. Another one, Denmark. The capital city for Denmark is Copenhagen. Continent is Europe. And the currency is Danish krone. And the language is Danish. One more. Nigeria. Capital city is Abuja. It belongs to Africa. Their currency is called the Naira. And their official language is English. So we have a few records now in our file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not too bad. Now let's save it as a CSV file in that very folder. File, save as. And this is my folder demo work. I will call it here. Countries, hyphen, languages, .csv. Here, Click all files and now save it. Great. I'm just going to minimize it for now. Minimize the previous one. Now let's go to the folder. So we have it here now, countries_languages.csv. So this is how you create a CSV file. Notice that it is an Excel file. It has the S and a little a added to it. That differentiates it from the normal Excel file. That one hasn't got an a added to it. This is how you create a CSV file using the Excel program in the Microsoft Office package, and you can also use Notepad text editor to do it just the way we have done it. I purposely did this video because a lot of applications would involve working with a CSV file. So I hope with this tutorial you will be able to understand what a CSV file is, how to create it, and the different applications that you can use to create it. You can also use different programming languages to create it. Thank you for watching this video, and once again, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.